So in today's video I am going to rank AI based on my POV. Yeah, and you have to watch. So first of all, it is not a generalized opinion, it's just my opinion on it. So first of all we have Claude. Claude is basically very good. It can make you more productive, it can help you to grow in life, absolutely, and it can make your work so much easier. So we are gonna put it also in S tier. Now we have DeepSeek. DeepSeek is good actually, but it's so underrated and it's not mainstream. I didn't even use it too much, so I don't know. Then we have Gemini. Gemini is very good for image like and real time research also. Gemini is good. Let's put it in image. Then we have Grok. So there is a story when I was competing between Grok and Perplexity, whatever, to for the real time research. So let me do it once again. Here we have Grok. Here we have Perplexity or whatever. Now we are going to give them simple prompt. What's going on in the world? And same to Perplexity. Then we will see which will produce better output. So let's see. Major breaking news: earthquakes in Venezuela, Middle East US Iran situation is still evolving, Europe heat wave, and Ukraine Russia various. Let's see the Perplexity. Here is the global picture: Iran war, major theme Middle East tension is dominating, Russia Ukraine, Venezuela, Western Europe, politics. They are basically, this is a tie, I would say. None of them is so good, but they both fall into like real time research. They both do very good real time research. Then we have ChatGPT. Basically, when I switch to Claude, when I switch to Claude, it's basically after that whenever I see someone, I think they are too old, like they born in 90s something. So I don't know, man, what happened to me after you start using Claude. Before that I was a big fan of ChatGPT. I used to talk it too much. I don't even feel comfortable in any other UI of any other chatbot. So yeah, like you can use it for daily work. And then we have Manus AI. Manus AI is a goat AI. If you want to you do deep research, like it has a very good algorithm. Like it can do really good research. I absolutely feel like it is for research purpose, and I didn't add that. So we are gonna put it on the first place. Real time research, Manus, then Grok, then Perplexity. So yeah, this is my whole AI recommendation. Yeah, thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe.